Stay tuned, I'll bring you along. I'll show you how we are feeding these piglets. You'll want to check this out. I'm telling you, the cutest thing in the world. This is what they're in right now. Once they eat, they crash. They're gonna fall asleep. So.
And they like new hay.
The white one is fed by the needle. These two black ones are fed by this bowl.
Oh guys, I need a ruby shadow.
They've already had, yep, there they go. Look at it, this one.
Sorry, Dad.
It's fine, just feed him. Just feed him. Good morning, I am Dustin Alleman. This is Alleman Family Homestead, and our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead. Please hit subscribe below. Please also drop a comment below. It helps us out, helps the YouTube algorithm. Appreciate you guys helping us out. Give us a like, keep bringing those comments. Hey, we've got a normal day. I know I always say normal day. Every day is a normal day of chores, right? No, so go do a quick garden check, turkey check. We gotta move the hens. This morning, we were waking up and hanging out and we saw a coyote come in. One of the ducks got out of the fence and it got a duck. Coyote got the duck, Maui was chasing it, but by the time Maui got out there, it took off with the duck. So we lost a duck this morning. Evie's out there doing water. She's getting a count on ducks to see how many we've got. I'm also gonna do a, later on, stick around, we'll show you how we're nursing these piglets. They're still less than a week old, so we're in there syringe feeding. I was gonna say bottle feeding, but it's not bottle feeding. We're syringe feeding, and then we're trying to train them to lap from a bowl. So it's cool. We froze a bunch of colostrum from when our cows calve. We always keep colostrum and we always freeze them in little containers. So we were able to feed those piglets, lots of colostrum their first 2 to 3 days of life, which is great. And now we're just supplementing with cow's milk to keep them going. So update, they're super cute, super cute. Don't check that out. I'll bring you along when we do a piglet feeding here later on. But also, I keep forgetting, one of our comments was asking about an orchard, and we did plant an orchard here. So this is an apple tree. We've got 2 rows. I don't know if you can see, there's 1 row here and then 1 row there. And we've planted apple, cherry, plum, and peach. And then in between each, we've got nitrogen fixers. So this is all permaculture orchard theory. You've got a nitrogen fixer in between your plum and your apple, so that you're feeding nitrogen to either side. So we've got that going on. Those are, what are our nitrogen fixers? Locusts. We've got a bunch of locusts, which are beautiful. So in the spring, they're the purple locusts. I mean, they're beautiful, pretty, long purple flowers, and they smell really good too. So over the years, I think we planted these trees 3 years ago, I think 3 years ago. Yeah, and they were tiny. These guys were here. We have 3 trees, so the bigger ones were already here when we got here. And the one on the far end is a plum. We're actually getting plums. I mean, they're tiny, but we are finally getting plums. This is our first year we're getting plums. So this is our orchard setup. We unfortunately kind of neglect it. We don't do the best job keeping it trimmed down, and I think if we were in here cutting this grass a little better, we'd probably see more growth. But that's what we got going on. I mean, that's the idea. That's our idea. Our hope is eventually over the years we've got some fruit trees. So wanted to show you guys that. All right, so quick turkey / garden check. A few videos ago we talked about how we turn this lamp off and there's no more dying turkeys. So I think that was the problem. We've turned this off. It's not on anymore, the heat lamp. And every night that we've done that, we've come out and all the turkeys have been alive. Every time we turn this on, we'll come out and 1 or 2 turkeys are dead. So I think they were just getting a little too comfy and squishing each other. So these guys are getting to the point we're gonna take them out. We're gonna get them out soon. I think that's on the agenda. over the next couple of days, get these guys out to pasture, and then we're gonna get the piggies. We're gonna get our little piglets who are now in our laundry room. And again, stay tuned, I'll bring you in to show you what we got going on. I think we're gonna house them in here just for a couple of days. We'll get them in here, get them oriented, and then we'll build out an actual area for them with hog panels and everything else over here. And then we're gonna get them out to pasture, and then of course we'll bring them back in during the winter. So that's the plan, that's what's going on. Quick garden update, everything's looking great, everything's looking great. We're getting tomatoes like crazy. Natalie's been picking these paste tomatoes. We'll slice them and eat them. They're yummy to slice and eat, but they're great for, we roast them and freeze them so we have tomato sauce. So everything's looking great in here. Okay, fresh paddock for these birds. You can see, I mean, they did decent. Chickens and turkeys, I mean, obviously they don't do as much devastation as pigs do, but they did a decent amount. I mean, we accidentally left the hose on all day one day, and the hose wasn't full on, it was just on a drip because we've got that fire hose spigot on the end. So it made this little pond, so that's what's going on here. We've got turkeys in here. This one's empty. We've already commingled the next gen hens with the mamas, with the layers already. The reason we brought this in is we're gonna bring all those turkeys that we just showed you in the high tunnel. We're gonna bring them out here. So they're coming out here so that we can get the piglets into the high tunnel and out of our laundry room. So you can see their nice fresh paddock. They all love it. I mean, they're walking around just checking things out. Being birds, being chickens, being ducks, being turkeys, loving life. Very cool, very cool. All right, I'm gonna go grab Annabelle. She's just right over here. And again, it's easy milking. We don't have to wash her. We don't have to worry about contaminants because she's got that cedar in her. I talked about this last video. I mean, the half-lives, we could probably drink it. I'm just like, why risk putting extra hormones into our body? So I just opt not to do it. And we feed it to the pigs. So we're gonna milk her out, feed it to the pigs. Stay tuned, I'll bring you along. I'll show you how we are feeding these piglets. You'll wanna check this out. I'm telling you, the cutest thing in the world are baby piglets. I've never had baby piglets before, and they are super cute. I mean, they are just I don't know, I don't even know how else to say that. They're adorable. So we'll end the video with that. Come on, Annabelle, let's go girl, let's go. We'll end the video with that. We'll show you how we've been nursing these piglets since they don't have a mama. She is a good girl. See how she gets this poop out? She poops and pees before we get her in the stanchion, which I greatly appreciate. Come on, girl, let's go. You can see the cedar tail, the blue tail. I don't like how it's sitting. It is what it is. I tried messing with it, manipulating it yesterday, and it didn't work. But you never want this tail sideways or up the way it is. You always want it facing down, because there's the probability of another cow coming up and being interested in it and grabbing it and pulling the cedar out goes up when that tail's up. You want that tail down so that there's no possibility of another cow pulling that cedar out. But I'm just hoping and praying it works and it stays in there. We've only got, what do we have, 4 more days with the cedar in. Annabelle, go. Let's go. Let's go. I've never seen more FOMO in my life than pigs eating or coming after milk. It's the funniest thing in the world. All right, we're gonna bring in, I'm not gonna call it a day yet. I'm gonna bring in and show you these cute piglets as promised. I'm telling you, you wanna check this thing out. They are just, they're just super cute. They're the cutest thing in the world. So I'll bring in, we'll show you these piglets, how we feed them, and then we'll call it a day.
No!
Okay, here we go. So the sound was off the whole time. I was recording and the sound's off. So I'm gonna say it all again. So this white one, AZ, leave it alone. The white one is fed by the needle. These two black ones are fed by this bowl. So Evie's dumping this milk. This is just Annabelle's milk.
Henry, can you move for a
Move
minute?
forward, Papa.
Oh, guys, I need a...
All right, so here we go. Watch these black ones. These black ones will drink it.
Ruby,
They've
Shadow.
already had, yep, there they go. Look at this one. They're fat.
Yeah, they are.
So this is what we want. We want them to drink like this. We do not want them to drink like this one.
Sorry, Dad.
It's fine. Just drink. Just feed him. Just feed him. So now they're already done. They're already done. So that was it. So then we feed them. We put them away. This one needs more.
No, he doesn't.
I hope that's not what you're wearing to football. Okay, I just wanted to bring you guys in, show us what we got going on. I did like 3 minutes earlier and I forgot to turn the audio on. So just gave you a little snippet of what we're doing here. This is our laundry room. We're over it. We're over having them in the laundry room. They've been in here for about 5 days. The idea is we're gonna get those turkeys out of the high tunnel, out of that brooder, and we're gonna put them in the brooder for a couple of days. So that's why I was talking about earlier. We've had this light on all week. We just turned it off this morning to try to get them used to not being in the warmth. We're gonna turn this on out there, but we're just trying to acclimate them. Nope. Okay. Acclimate them. This is what they're in right now. Once they eat, they crash. They're gonna fall asleep. So.
And they like new hay.
And they like new hay. So here we go. The first night, Natalie was up with them a couple times. We had to feed them every couple of hours, and now they're to the point we feed them right before we go to bed. And they're fine until morning. So you can see how fat they're getting, which is good, So, okay, we are gonna call it a day today. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead and hit subscribe. Drop a comment below, give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate each and every one of you. We'll catch you next time.